Hello friends, myself Professor Thange Jyoti, and today we have to learn in lecture number 12 we have to learn the last point from unit number 1, that is the commutator techniques. First question arises, that is what is the commutations? Commutation is nothing but the turning of the conducting SCR is known as the commutation. And in this commutation, what are the types of the commutation? Basically, there are two types of the commutation. First is natural commutation and second is forced commutation. In natural commutations, applied supply is the AC supply. For positive half cycle, SCR gate conducts, and at negative voltage, SCR gate turn off. And forced commutations are classified as follows. First is class A type. It is also called as a self-commutated by resonating the load. Second is class B type. It is also called as a self-commutated by LC circuit. Third is class C type. It is also called as a complementary commutations. Fourth is class D, called as the auxiliary commutations, or also called as the impulse class D type commutations. Next one is class E, called as an external pulse source for commutations. And last one is a class F, called as the AC line commutations. Now see the commutations types in our syllabus. There are two types basically, class C and class D. Out of that we have to learn first class C type. It is also called as a complementary commutations. Now see the figure of this. Vs is the supply voltage, R1, R2 and C are the resistance and capacitor respectively. There are two SCR used, SCR1 and SCR2. Both are the main SCRs. Now both SCR1 and SCR2 are capable to handle the load. Now this load current, now this capacitor C is the commutating capacitor connected across it, and voltage across it is used to commutate the conducting SCR. Hence it is known as a voltage commutations techniques. Now see with its operation with the help of waveforms. Before that we know about the current flowing through the resistor 1 and resistor 2. Current flowing through the resistor 1 is given by Vs upon R1. Vs is the supply voltage, R1 is the value of the resistance. And current flowing through the resistor R2, that is IR2, is given by the supply voltage divided by resistance 2. Now see operation. In this operation, to learn the operation, there will be the gate current, resistance and voltage across SCR1 and SCR2 waveforms are given there. And also gate pulse 2 is given. Now see mode 1 is operate from T0 at instant T0 to T1. See first instant gate pulse is applied. Gate pulse is given. Hence at instant T is equal to T0 as gate SCR1 has provided the gate pulse. Hence only SCR1 get triggered. Disconnect the conducting capacitor C across the conducting SCR2. The voltage across capacitor reverse bias the conducting SCR2 and it is off due to voltage commutations. Only SCR1 is conducting in mode 1. At instant T is equal to T1, capacitor changes its polarity and capacitor current goes to 0 and it continues to conduct. Now in mode 2 is from T1 to T2. See in figure T1 to T2, there will be the mode 2. Now in this mode, at T is equal to T1, we already learned that charging current goes to 0, that is capacitor current goes to 0. Hence voltage on the capacitor is equal to Vc, and at T is equal to T2, SCR2 get triggered and SCR1 turn on. Now in mode 3 is from T2 to T3. See in figure T2 to T3 is the mode 3. In this mode, at instant T is equal to T2, SCR2 get turned on. This will connect the capacitor C across the SCR via SCR2. In this case, this voltage on capacitor C reverse bias the SCR1 and turn it off. Means we can say that when your SCR2 get turned on, SCR1 get turned off. Now the mode 4, that is T3 to T4. See in figure time instant T3 to T4. In this T3 to T4, SCR2 continue to carry the load current IR2 is equal to Vs upon R2. The charging current of the capacitor IC equals to 0 at instant T4 SCR1 triggered again and repeat the cycle. Means at instant T4 again your SCR2 conducting, but your SCR1 get triggered, and after that cycle SCR2 get turned off. This cycle continuously repeat in the class C commutations. Now see class D commutation, that is the last point. Class also called as the auxiliary voltage commutations, and it is also called as the impulse commutations. Now see the diagram here. Vs is the supply voltage, C is the capacitor, SCR1 is called as a main thyristor, and SCR2 is called as a auxiliary thyristor. This SCR1 is the main thyristor. To turn off main thyristor, auxiliary thyristor is used, that is the SCR2, and it is a low power device. The diode and inductor are also there. Now see its basic work. It is also called as the impulse commutations or class D commutations. Hence, SCR1 is the main SCR and SCR2 is the auxiliary SCR. Auxiliary SCR turn off the main SCR, and it is a low power device. After that, it automatically turn off. Now see mode 1. To learn the mode 1, mode 2 and mode 3, mode 4 means its operation is divided into 4 mode, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3 and mode 4. For that purpose we have to see the waveforms. See its waveforms, that is the gate current 1, that is called as the gate current of SCR. Then ISCR, it is nothing but the current flowing through SCR1. VSCR1, it is nothing but the load voltage across the SCR. Next is the load current. This is the load current through the SCR1. Now IG2 is the gate pulse provided to this gas SCR2. ISCR2 is nothing but the current flowing through SCR2. VSCR2 is the voltage across SCR2, and last one is the capacitor voltage. Now see its working principle. In mode 1, what happen? At instant T0 means your mode 1 start from T0 to T1, and at instant T0 SCR1 get triggered and diode is also in conducting condition. Now see, when supply voltage is given, SCR1, that is the main SCR, is connected to the positive of the supply, cathode is connected to the negative of supply, means SCR1 get turned on. At the same time your capacitor start charging, plus minus with respect to upper plate is positive, lower plate is negative. In this way your capacitor get turned on, start charging, and this SCR1 means positive supply is flowing through it. Hence your diode D is also in conducting format. It get conducts, and your total current flowing through the SCR1 is nothing but the addition of IR, that is current flowing through the load resistance, plus IC, that is the current flowing through the capacitance. This is the addition of these two, and IC goes to 0 at T is equal to T1. See, in T0 to T1 current is high because it is the addition of capacitive current plus resistive current, current flowing through resistor plus current flowing through capacitor. Hence here curve is shown, that is T0 to T1 higher current is flow. After that your capacitor current goes to 0. Hence only the current flowing through only resistance, and it is in flat type. See, T1 to T2. Now in mode 2, that is T1 to T2. In this case what happen? The polarity of the capacitor get changed, and due to this the diode get reverse biased. SCR1 remains in the on state, but due to change in polarity IC current goes to 0, and due to this only the current flowing through the resistor R1. Now in mode 3 what happened? See, in mode 3, that is from T2 to T3. What happened in T2 to T3? At instant T2, SCR2 turn on and connect the negative voltage across the SCR1. Here, When your SCR2 get connected, it provide the negative voltage to the SCR because the capacitor changed its polarity and negative voltage is provided to anode terminal of the SCR1. Due to this, SCR1 get turned off due to the reverse voltage. See here, and SCR1 turn off. At the end of this mode, voltage across capacitor is positive and SCR2 turn off due to the zero current. And it is already told that it is low power device, and due to the low current it get turned off. In mode 4, T3 to T4. See, observe here, T3 to T4 in all conditions, all devices means your SCR1, see here, SCR1, SCR2, then your currents, all the devices are in off condition means your SCR1, SCR2 and diode, all devices are in this mode, that is mode number 4, are in off condition and your circuit get turned off in this case. This is the class D commutation. In next lecture we start the unit number 2. It's okay. Thank you guys.